QR codes give a digital dimension to your products and services as they bring offline engagements into online conversions. Not having a QR code is a big loss of opportunity for innovative marketers.
How can you get more sales out of your deliveries? How to engage your customers with their favorite social media? First, visit Foodpanda's homepage. Select the country where your restaurant is located. Find and click the city where your restaurant is located. Click on your restaurant and copy the URL of your chosen restaurant. Now head over to your favorite QR code generator and get started. Go to QR Tiger's website. Click the social media icon. Upload your logo. Select your background colors. You can select single color, color gradient, and you can even upload your own background image. Then put some header text and description text for more details. Scroll down, choose and select the Foodpanda icon. Move the Foodpanda platform on the top by clicking the up arrows. Fill in your Foodpanda URL and don't forget to add your other social media accounts. Generate and customize your QR code. Choose pattern. Choose eyes. Add a logo. Set colors. Add your frame. Test your generated QR code. Once done, download your QR codes. Be smarter on your marketing by adding a social media QR code on your packaging, products, and offline channels. Grow your followers and get more orders with a Foodpanda social media QR code today.
Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time to learn more how to apply QR codes successfully.